In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uncover shocking amounts of information by just knowing someone's IP address. Some of the shocking information you can uncover includes the country, the city, even the exact coordinates of your victim. It almost feels like you could track anyone in the world if you just knew their IP. Sounds crazy, right? But let me show you how it's done. Now, before we go any further, here's something important. This video is for educational purposes only. What I'm about to show you is the same technique ethical hackers and cybersecurity researchers use to test systems and protect users. It's not about invading anyone's privacy or doing anything illegal. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly. To do this, you need to first click on your web browser and on the search bar type IP tracer GitHub and press enter. Click on this exact link. This will take you to this GitHub page, and on this page click on code and copy the link right here. Now head back to your terminal. On your terminal type git clone and paste the link you copied and press enter. Now wait until it finishes cloning the repository onto your local machine. Once it's done, type cd IP tracer and press enter to go inside the directory. Once inside the directory, type the ls command to list the files inside this directory. What we want is this install file right here. Type sudo:/install. Oops, we have an error, but this is normal because we haven't given this an execute permission. To check the permissions, you can type the ls-l command. As you can see, this file has the read and write permissions only. To give this an execute permission, type chmod +x followed by the name of the file, which is install, and press enter. Now type sudo:/ followed by the name of the file, which is install, and press enter. So this is our IP tracer, and with this tool we can get our victims' information like country, region, time, and many more. To check your own IP address, type trace-m and press enter. This will give you a lot of information like country, region, date and time, and even GPS coordinates. This is all the information it gathered about me. On the other hand, if you have your victim's IP address and you want to get more information, type trace- and type the letter T and follow that with your victim's IP. And instantly, you'll get results on that IP address. So why is this useful? Ethical hackers, penetration testers, and cybersecurity enthusiasts use tools like this for research and awareness. It helps people understand just how much information your IP address can reveal every time you connect to the internet. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next cybersecurity deep dive. And let me know in the comments which hacking tool or topic should I cover next.